Hello and welcome back. I'm Matt, and today we are taking a look at the Sony WH-CH710N. I used these for a couple days so that way I could get a good listen on how they really worked and how they sounded well, so I could give you guys an honest review so you know exactly how they sound. So to start off with, there is a power button that is on the side right here, and then there is where you plug in the USB-C to charge these, and there's a headphone jack as well, which this is what comes with them too, and there's a small charging cable as well as a auxiliary cable, 3.5 millimeter, so you can plug this into your headphones if you're not able to Bluetooth with these. This does have the technology on here, so you can touch it to your phone if your phone has that technology, and it will Bluetooth and pair to your phone. So these have rotating earpieces on these. The first thing that I noticed with these when I picked these up is the weight of them. They are very lightweight. To me, they feel a little too lightweight, and I think that is because when they went with these, they tried to make these like the flagship, these Sony WH-1000s, and because of that, they went cheaper with the make of the body, so it is an all plastic design on here. And on the other side for the controls as well, here is the volume. You have the play button in the middle, and then you have the noise canceling button right here. The noise canceling for this is decent. I wouldn't say it is top of the line. It does work well and it cancels out the noise. The one feature that I see that these are missing is this does not have a seek button. So I can't go forward or backwards to choose a song with these. And for a lot of people, that would definitely be a downfall because you would have to pull out your phone every single time to change a song if you don't want to listen to that song. The sound quality of these sounds really well. I like the sound of them. It has a nice crisp sound. There's not a whole lot of bass to them. These do not come with a carrying pouch. So that is another downfall with these. So you don't have a nice carrying pouch to carry these if you're traveling. The highs sound really well for the sound too. The battery life for these is going to be around 35 hours. I charged them one time. I've been using them for a